G'day folks and welcome back. A big welcome to my new subscribers and also my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm KC, and in this video today we're going to put together an M2 Machines model kit. And these are so cool, they're die cast, and as you can see there on the bench, it's a 55 Chevrolet that we're doing today, Bel Air Hardtop. And it comes with two sets of rims, and they're wide rear wheels as well as the smaller front wheels. You've got two engine displacements there to choose from. It also comes with the Phillips head screwdriver, so you don't need to buy or do anything. And it also comes with the steel 4-poster hoist lift. And also, like I'm saying, it comes with the screwdriver to do what you need to do. So we've been having a bit of bad weather down here and all those sorts of things going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and get it out of the packet and get right into it. These are good if you want to start modding and have a bit of a go and think, oh, okay, this is cool and I might try something a bit harder. This is something to get you started. Like I'm saying, you do not need anything else. Everything comes with the kit to put it all together, whichever way you choose. Black rims, chrome rims, and whichever engine you want to put into there. All right, let's get it open and check it out. Now, as you can see, it's out of the packet and all the bits and pieces. So you've got two sets of rims. Now have a look at these tyres. Look how wide they are. Look at that. That's awesome. So there's another thing you get. You get two sets of wheels. So you can got a set that you want to choose to put on this, and you've got another set to mod another car ready to go already for you. It also comes with the instructions here, so you can put it together. And the instructions are very easy, extremely easy. It'll get you started anyway, and it'll give you the bug. Alrighty, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the car off the 4-poster hoist, and we'll have a good close-up look. We've got him off. Now, there's two screws that hold it on the base there. Now have a look at the quality of this. This is absolutely fantastic. The quality of it. Beautiful little crystal lights with the moulding around the grille, and also moulding around the park indicator turn signals, if you want to call them, on the bottom. All the moulding's done nicely down the sides, as it would be in the correct period. Tail lights look great. It's got like a pearl candy looking lens, so it gives you that real awesome effect. Get a couple of exhausts out the back. Bump bars have got all the overriders on them. Alright, let's do a bit more and open up. And as you can see inside the engine bay, it's empty, but there's one screw on the base here, so we'll pull the base off. Righto, we've done that. Now there's the base. The base is also metal too, so if you've been following me in my channel, my little journey that we're going on here, it's only got one screw, so the tab there pushes into the back of the car underneath. The interior just pops out, which just have the period correct bench seats that would have came out in those days. And then it's all steel up inside there, besides the glass and that sort of stuff there. Now it does recommend that you take the hood off, bonnet off, to fit the engine, so we will do that. So I'll just put the stock engine. I dare say that'd be the stock engine, because that's the colour the Chev engines were when they were stock standard, and I dare say that would be a high performance one with a different air filter. But we'll get them together, we'll whack a set of wheels together, and we'll work out which way we're going to go. We might put the chrome on this time. Also, the doors open on this as well, which is also pretty cool. And as you can see, we have the stock engine in. Alright, so we'll get into building the wheels for it. And now this will increase your confidence if you just want to start doing it and see how cool this is to put together this little metal kit. And like metal top and bottom, like I'm saying to you, you get two sets of wheels, so it gives you another set of wheels to use on another car. And that'll get the bug going. And you not only that there, you can put a set of other wheels on there if you want to race them. And that sort of stuff there. Just be careful when you're putting these together, because they're very highly detailed models, and the bumpers and all that there, you can knock them and break them off if you don't watch what you're doing. So that's all you got to do. So what we'll do is we'll get a set of wheels together. You also get two sets of axles, so you can set up both of the wheels, and these will just push in. No need to glue them, just push them in nice and firmly. And another thing I recommend is that you put this into the rim first and then fit your tyre, because it is absolutely too hard and too fiddly to put the rim and the tyre on the rim without giving something to hold it easily. It's also got the red line on these tyres here as well, the same as the back ones, or if you don't like the red lines, just flip them around, or you can use the other tyres as well. Now another thing is too, is when you're fitting these rims and the tyres, I suggest that you put the tyres into a bowl of fairly hot water. Hot enough that your hand can handle it, not boiling hot, and then that way you won't have an issue. I have to do it all the time down here because of the temperature. Now these are nice big deep dish rims. They are, absolutely, and look how fat they are. So cool. Like I said, we're going to do the chrome. Now these aren't actually black. I had a good look at them. They're actually got they got like a blue candy black look to it. Let's see if we can get the light a bit brighter on that there. And there we go. Yeah, so, and these are super wide as well. Now, if you actually buy a set of these wheel kits that wide and that sort of stuff on the internet, just on their own, they'll cost you more than what this whole kit does. This kit here costs around about $15. I got it from a guy in the US when we bought a different fuel mount, so I keep these things for a rainy day. Alrighty, so what we'll do is now is we'll organise and we'll put the wheels on the base. Now remember, no glue. Just push nicely firmly in there. They all spin beautifully and everything else there, righto. So what we'll do is now we'll get ready to whack him together and we'll just stick him all together. We'll just get the interior inside the body. He just pops straight back in like that there. This tab here then pushes into the back, then pops down into the front, nice and gently. Have a look how cool this is looking already. Alright, we'll put the screw on it. And look at that. Isn't that absolutely magic? Like I was saying, now you'll probably get a better idea how fat those back tyres are. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, cool. So put the chromes in, put the red lines on there, of course. Oh, beautiful, rolls like a rocket. There we go. I'll close the doors up. And put the bonnet down. And there we go. Just wait 1 minute. Oh, just a little bit stiff because it was only the first time I've opened the hood up. So you've got to push the hood down evenly when it shuts down. Beautiful like that. Look at that. And isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Have a look at that. Well, that's just a really simple, easy model kit that you can put together. It'll go together a lot quicker than what it is in this video. It's because we're messing around and showing you a lot of it. But that's how cool it looks there. And then we bring him down on the 4-post. And there you have it. Doesn't that look awesome? Isn't that such a cool little model? Like I was saying there, metal top and bottom. Alright folks, just a bit of a quick one today because we're having bad weather and all that sort of stuff there. Don't forget, look after each other. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll catch you again on the next one. Bye for now.